Hi, I'm Christy with WTI. I had been looking for a more efficient way to keep all the drawers in our home organized. Well, I finally found the perfect solution. These are drawer dividers from Vtopmart. Now, the reason that I love these is you have a wide variety of sizes. So there's 25 pieces in the set that I got and 4 different sizes. I really love having these smaller square ones because I find what happens is even if you've got drawer dividers and they're all kind of large, those tiny things get thrown into the drawer divider along with the big things. So what ends up happening is you have, instead of a cluttered drawer, you have a cluttered organizer. But with these, you can parse everything out, so I can easily find small things like bobby pins or flossers, and they don't get lost. Now, the other thing that really sets these apart, it might not seem like a big deal, but I'm here to tell you it's a big deal. They give you little sticky adhesives to go on the bottom of each of these containers that act as a grip. Now, I have 2 young boys who at times will open drawers a bit aggressively. And you know what happens when you've got organizers in a drawer and somebody yanks it open? All those organizers slide to the back, slam into the back of the drawer, and spill out. But with these, they grip the bottom of your drawer. So no matter if you open it aggressively or not, they stay in place, and so does your stuff. I am so happy with these. They've really organized my drawers, and what they're going to do because of the various sizes is help me keep them organized. That's a huge deal. So if you're looking for that perfect solution, these right here, these are it. And that's my point of view.